Greetings, tourists. Let's take a tour. I know a place where the potatoes are much better. Warm, wet, and cold. There must be something in the water. We're sipping Tim Hortons, laying underneath the maple trees. The women throw their rocks at the 2011 Scotties. Yeah, you can travel the world, but no place is better than PEI. Once you stay here with us, you'll be wanting to come again. PEI Island girls, we love potatoes, cut fresh, fried, we eat them a lot. There's red sand all over our beaches. Oh, oh, oh. PE Island girls, we love our animals, cows, pigs, sheep, we have a lot.